To access the room selection process, you'll need to visit our website, usm.edu/housing, and click on the housing portal. You will log in with your SOAR login with the WID number and your SOAR password. From there, you will access the applications and assignments page. Scroll down to where it says Fall 24, Spring 25 room selection, and click there. If you have completed your application, you should see a button that says Book Now. If you have not completed your housing application and are still missing some items, you will see that list of items on the screen there, and that will need to be completed before you are eligible to go through room selection. Once you click Book Now, you will need to click Book Yourself Here from the next page. It will show the schedule as well as this tutorial video on that page. Once you're into the room selection process, you will see the option to select Fall 24 and Spring 25 semesters. This is just a reminder that you are booking yourself for both semesters as part of your housing contract. Please click Next to continue through the process. On the next screen, if you've already added a roommate to your roommate group, you will see the name of that person there. You can click Next to continue on to the room selection process. If you have not added your roommate, you will need their roommate group PIN number that was given in their application complete email. Just simply search for the person using their first name, last name, or ID number, and then put in their roommate PIN number to add them to your room selection group. On the next page, you will see all available buildings. You will need to click the gray arrow next to the building name to drop down a list of floors. By selecting on a floor, you will see the floor plan for that floor as well as all available options. If a bed space is green, it is available for your selection. If it is red, you are not able to select that room, but you can click on it to see information about the person who is already booked on that room. When you have finally selected your room, you will be able to click the Finish button, which will then show a confirmation of where you are placing yourself. You will receive this confirmation email afterwards, as will your roommate if you pulled one in, as well as a person that is booked in a room that you booked into that is not necessarily your preferred roommate.